Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Xbox and confirming it's fully booted. Updates can affect pairing. Next, insert fresh batteries or confirm the controller shows charge. Low power prevents connection. Grab a USB-C cable and keep it handy. You'll use it only if wireless pairing doesn't respond. Once done, press and hold the controller's Xbox button to wake it. Make sure the console's front power light is steady before moving to the dedicated pairing step. On the console, press the small sync button and watch the console's pairing light begin to blink. This tells you it's searching. Immediately go to the controller and press its sync button. The Xbox button will flash rapidly while searching for the console. This flashing means they're negotiating a secure connection. Once the console and controller lights stop flashing and remain steady, the pairing is complete. If you have multiple controllers, repeat the controller sync steps individually to assign each to the console. After lights are steady, open the Xbox guide and test thumbsticks, triggers, and buttons to confirm full functionality. This ensures firmware and mappings are correct. If the controller won't pair wirelessly, plug the USB-C cable and use the wired connection. This often forces a recognized link and updates firmware. Once wired, you can unplug to attempt wireless again. If lights keep blinking or the controller won't respond, restart the console and controller. Then retry the sync process. This clears transient Bluetooth or radio conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.